Welcome back. I'm gonna walk you through some steps to show you how to download SQL Server and SQL Server Management Studio. Now open your browser and go to the Downloads page of Microsoft SQL Server. Link is in the description. We need to download the free version. Scroll down, and click on Download Now below Developer. Now open the downloaded file. Open it. Select Basic. Accept the agreement. Hit Install. It will take some time to download the packages. Installation is complete. Now we need to install SQL Server Management Studio. Click on Install ssms, it will take you to the download page. Now click on Download. I have already downloaded the setup file. Click on Install. It will take some time for installation to complete. So it is successfully installed. You can open this using this shortcut. Hit Windows button and R, type ssms, you don't need to search in the menu. Now connect to the server. You are good to go now. In the next lecture we will download some sample database.